So ngayon naman, besides yan, Audrey, ngayong umaga pag-uusapan natin, syempre, ikaw ba mahilig ka mag-business?
Gusto ko na magsimula ng business.
Nako, tamang-tama yan dahil pag-uusapan natin ngayong umaga ang patungkol sa Entrepreneurs Forum Series. Makakasama po natin this morning. Let us all welcome Professor Antonio M. Del Carmen, PhD Director, Master in Entrepreneurship at Ateneo Graduate School of Business. Also, we have Althea Marie Ramirez, Marketing Officer ng Business World. Good morning. Welcome to Good Morning, Boss.
Good morning.
Si Ma'am Althea Ramirez.
Alright, so to start off, si Audrey kasi, gusto na niya mag-go into business. Kasi ako, nakapag-business na ako, pero unfortunately, hindi siya masyado nag-succeed. So this morning, we're gonna talk about Entrepreneurs Forum Series. So what is this all about?
Yes. Basically, this is an event by Business World. We've been holding this for 10 years now. This is our 10th year. So we create a venue for entrepreneurs wherein we help them, we strengthen their business knowledge. This could definitely help them grow and even develop their respective businesses.
So, sabi mo ma'am, business knowledge. Prof, matanong lang kita, kasi may mga pumapasok na sa negosyo. Halimbawa si Dayan kanina, napag-usapan natin off the air, may mga pumapasok sa negosyo at hindi lahat successful na bibigo. Gaano po kahalaga na umattend sa ganitong klase ng forum?
Well, alam mo, sinasabi ko nga kay Dayan kanina na going into business is really a mindset, no? People should go into it prepared. Hindi yung parang may nakita ka lang opportunity, ay gusto ko rin maging ganon, gusto ko rin yumaman na ganyan, no?
O minsan dahil fad lang, biglang papasok na rin sila.
No? It's very important that an entrepreneur prepares himself or herself as they go into business. Hindi yung basta papasok ka lang. Sabi nga namin, a good entrepreneur, yung nakakakita ng hindi nakikita ng iba, ang kikita.
Right. Diba? Lalo na kapag meron kang USP, di ba? Alam na, unique selling proposition. Correct. Kasi ako, honestly, Prof, pumasok ako sa isang business without any knowledge about it, tapos biglang nalugi. Of course, lahat naman nangyayari and that's really inevitable. Tapos hindi nag-succeed. So, importante rin na may knowledge ka about it na hindi ka basta-basta papasok. So dito, kaya pumapasok din yung Entrepreneurs Forum Series kasi nandito kayo to guide, lalo na yung mga katulad ko na gusto rin magsimula or ni Audrey na mag-go into business.
That's right. Yes. That's why Ateneo is partnering with the Business World. Dahil importante sa amin na properly trained ang entrepreneur before he or she goes into business. And a lot of our students at the Masters in Entrepreneurship are actually existing entrepreneurs na to. But they still need to go into proper training so that the proper processes, the proper opportunity-seeking processes are integrated in their operations. No? Dahil ang daming opportunities ngayon. And this is the best time for entrepreneurs to really step up, for thriving entrepreneurs to get into business. No? Because alam naman natin yung bansa natin ngayon, there are a lot of things happening and the opportunity should be for Filipinos.
At saka nakikita natin yung growing economy ng Philippines.
Correct.
So magandang pumasok ngayon o gumawa ng business. Pero who are our participants for the forum series?
Itong upcoming forum series na to, it's actually open to Business World subscribers, to non-subscribers. So open siya for everyone na would want to attend this event. It's gonna be this Friday, Feb 27.
So one day forum siya?
Whole day forum siya. Whole day forum siya.
And this will be held at?
It's gonna be held at F1 Hotel, BGC, Taguig City, from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. So we are gonna have several speakers, actually 5 to be exact, including Professor Del Carmen.
Mas gusto kong pumunta because of Prof. Audrey, punta tayo dahil parang hindi na ako malulugi sa next business ko.
Alam niyo, sa mga nanonood po nating boss ngayong umagang ito, no? Nakikita niyo yung attitude ng ibang mga entrepreneurs or ibang negosyante na kahit may existing business na, dumadalo pa rin kasi pang 10th year niya na sa ganitong forum para mas madagdagan yung knowledge nila. Gano'n po kahalaga yung alam mo yung structure ng business na papasukin mo bago ka mag-invest?
Well, yun na nga, yung sinasabi ko kanina that you don't go into a business just because may nakita kang successful. You have to understand that every business, magkakaiba yan, no? Magkakaiba yung intricacies of a particular enterprise versus, kunyari, nasa clothing ka, fashion, ibang-iba naman yan sa construction, no? But an entrepreneur, yung processes behind that of learning the proper way of organizing the enterprise, hiring the right people, no? marketing in the right, yung four functional areas of marketing, HR, operations, and finance are very important na maintindihan ng entrepreneur.
Sir, matanong ko lang kasi nabanggit ni Ma'am kanina na mukhang one-day event lang ito.
Whole day
Full day event, 8 hours po.
Yes.
Madidiscuss po ba? Kasi ang daming business, ang daming industry. Madidiscuss po ba sa whole day event na ito yung pangkalahatan?
Pero kasi for this coming event, it's all our umbrella topic is actually family businesses. So, parang entrepreneurial frameworks for the family business. So, nandyan yung may several, iba-iba. Meron doon yung nasa industry na talaga, graduates from Ateneo Graduate School of Business. So, andun dalawang professor na magdadiscuss.
Yes, Professor Andy.
Professor Andy and Professor Tony. So, ang core niya talaga, family business. So, sir?
Family business. So siguro just to make it clear, kasi syempre yung iba gusto rin nila, yung like sina Audrey, magsa-start pa lang, and yung iba wala rin ganung, alam mo yung big amount of capital to start a new business. Siguro, do you have any upcoming or future forum series for them? Hindi lamang, syempre, itong mga a-attend sa inyo, yung iba established na talaga, may mga companies na, may mga business na talaga, and may knowledge na talaga about business. Paano dun sa mga nagsisimula? Do you have any upcoming or future projects for them?
Yes, actually, they have to watch out for it kasi this is the first leg of our forum. There are actually 2 forums we hold every year. So, for ito yung first, pero magkakaroon kami ng second. Actually, great rin siya kasi kinoconduct namin siya sa key provincial cities. Pumunta kami sa provinces kasi ang
that's nice.
ang target kasi talaga namin is yung mga micro, small, medium enterprises talaga. So, lumalapit kami sa kanila. Or for this one nga, it's for families na they have businesses na they wanna learn more. And especially from the best, of course.
That's right. Alam mo, Audrey, importante talaga. This is actually a never-ending learning experience. Hindi basta nag-succeed ka na or successful ka sa isang business, yun na yun. Sabi nga nila, everyday may matututunan ka. Hindi lamang sa business mo. Minsan nga kahit sa mga customers mo, mga consumers mo, marami kang matututunan.
At syempre, nagbabago yung panahon at kailangan ng mga negosyante nag-a-adjust din. Dapat siguro yung Chinese mentality lagi pagdating sa business. Matanong ko lang po, malapit na yung ASEAN integration. Ano naman po ang part ng mga educators doon?
Well, that's the other point. No? Hindi lang sa Pilipinas na maraming opportunities tayong makikita. With ASEAN integration, then we will have a lot of competitors coming in. No? But at the same time, the Philippines is also opening itself to the market, to the ASEAN. So entrepreneurs should be prepared for that. No? Na hindi lang nandito sa Pilipinas ang opportunities, is ASEAN-wide. No? So that's why we're preparing our entrepreneurs so that they're not only looking at a limited market, but they're also looking at a wider market of being able to penetrate. Kung yung mga foreigners, the Thailanders and the Indonesians are looking at the Philippines as their market, dapat ang mga Filipino entrepreneurs should also be looking at those countries as our market because we have all the capabilities, the innovation, the creativity. Diane, you're in fashion, mas magaling tayo sa design, di ba?
Kasama din po ba ito sa forum na mapag-uusapan, yung preparation din, na tayo yung makipag-partner sa ibang bansa o sa ASEAN
part of
preparation?
the forum will also discuss some opportunities that will be open to Filipino entrepreneurs.
So napakaganda niyan. We will go international na rin, hindi lamang dito sa ating bansa. Pero before we end, would you like to promote your event? Or would you like to invite our viewers?
Okay, sure. Once again, hi everyone. We would like to invite you in our upcoming Business World Entrepreneurs Forum this coming Feb 27, 2015 at F1 Hotel, BGC, Taguig City. It's going to be from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m. And it's open for everyone, to Business World subscribers and non-subscribers. And for interested participants, you may register online through our microsite. It's www.bworldonline.com/fora. And if you have any questions, you may call us at 535-9901, local 824, or email us at morcom@bworldonline.com. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much for joining us this morning. That was Professor Antonio M. Del Carmen and Althea Marie Ramirez. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo at sana maraming mga Pilipinong umasenso dahil sa gagawin yung event. Okay, dyan lamang po kayo mga boss dahil magbabalik pa ang Good Morning Boss.